NASA and the James Webb Space Telescope have completely transformed how we study the universe. But your script contains many claims presented as facts that are not actually confirmed by scientists, especially the idea that Webb discovered city lights or evidence of alien civilizations on Proxima Centauri B. To make the script safe from copyright issues and more believable for viewers, it's best to rewrite it in an original documentary style while removing misinformation and exaggerated claims. Here's a fully rewritten non-copyrighted version with a cinematic tone. For thousands of years, humanity has stared into the night sky wondering a single question. Are we alone? Now, for the first time in history, a machine powerful enough to peer deeper into space than ever before is beginning to reveal answers that once belonged only to science fiction. The James Webb Space Telescope is changing everything we thought we knew about the universe. Launched by NASA in December 2021, Webb was designed to explore the oldest galaxies, study distant stars, and search for planets that might support life. Positioned nearly 1 million miles from Earth, the telescope observes the cosmos using infrared vision powerful enough to detect faint heat signatures from worlds orbiting distant stars. And among those worlds, one planet continues to capture global attention. Proxima Centauri B. Located just over 4 light-years away, Proxima B is the closest known exoplanet to Earth. It orbits a small red dwarf star called Proxima Centauri, a dim but active star that constantly releases powerful radiation into space. Despite the harsh environment, the planet sits within what scientists call the habitable zone, the region where temperatures may allow liquid water to exist. That possibility alone makes Proxima B one of the most important worlds ever discovered. But Webb's observations have sparked even more curiosity. Using advanced infrared instruments, astronomers detected unusual thermal patterns coming from the planet. These observations suggest that Proxima B may possess an atmosphere capable of redistributing heat across its surface. If confirmed, this would dramatically increase the chances that the planet could support stable conditions for life. Some online discussions went much further, claiming the telescope had discovered city lights or evidence of alien civilizations. However, scientists caution that no such discovery has been confirmed. At this stage, Webb has not detected artificial lights, alien cities, or radio transmissions from Proxima B. What Webb has done is far more important. It has proven that humanity now possesses the technology to study the atmospheres of rocky planets beyond our solar system in unprecedented detail. By analyzing starlight passing through a planet's atmosphere, astronomers can search for chemical fingerprints known as biosignatures. Molecules such as oxygen, methane, carbon dioxide, and water vapor may reveal whether a distant planet could support life. This process is called spectroscopy, and it works like reading the chemical barcode of another world. Scientists are especially interested in combinations of gases that should not naturally exist together unless biological activity is constantly replenishing them. On Earth, oxygen and methane coexist because life continuously produces them. Detecting a similar imbalance on another planet could become one of the strongest indicators of extraterrestrial biology ever found. And Webb is only the beginning. Future observatories, including the extremely large telescope currently under construction on Earth, are expected to push these investigations even further. These next-generation instruments may eventually allow scientists to directly image distant Earth-like planets and analyze their atmospheres with extraordinary precision. The search for life has also expanded beyond planets identical to Earth. Researchers now study extreme environments where life might survive under conditions once thought impossible. On our own planet, microscopic organisms known as extremophiles thrive in boiling water, acidic lakes, and deep beneath frozen ice. Their existence suggests that life elsewhere in the universe could adapt to environments far stranger than we ever imagined. Systems like TRAPPIST-1, which contains several rocky planets orbiting a cool red dwarf star, have become major targets in the search for habitable worlds. Webb is already helping scientists examine whether these planets possess atmospheres and whether liquid water could exist on their surfaces. Every new discovery raises even bigger questions. How common are Earth-like planets? Can life emerge around unstable stars? Could intelligent civilizations exist somewhere in the vast darkness between galaxies? Right now, no telescope has confirmed alien life. No spacecraft has detected extraterrestrial cities. But for the first time in human history, we are beginning to explore worlds where such discoveries may someday become possible. The James Webb Space Telescope is not simply observing the universe. It is opening a new chapter in humanity's search for its place among the stars. And the deeper we look into space, the more mysterious the universe becomes. The deeper the James Webb Space Telescope looks into space, the stranger the universe appears to become. Every observation reveals worlds unlike anything found in our own solar system. Giant planets made of burning gas. Rocky worlds locked in eternal darkness. Oceans that may exist beneath frozen crusts. And atmospheres filled with chemicals scientists are still struggling to explain. But among all these discoveries, one idea continues to drive humanity forward more than any other. Somewhere out there, life may already exist. For decades, scientists could only imagine what distant planets looked like. Even the largest telescopes on Earth could barely detect them. Most exoplanets remained invisible, hidden in the blinding light of their parent stars. But Webb changed the rules completely. Unlike ordinary telescopes, the James Webb Space Telescope observes the universe primarily in infrared light. This allows it to detect heat signatures invisible to the human eye. By studying tiny changes in light, Webb can examine the atmospheres of planets located trillions of miles away. That ability is revolutionary. When a planet passes in front of its star, a small amount of starlight travels through the planet's atmosphere before reaching the telescope. During that brief moment, gases within the atmosphere absorb specific wavelengths of light. By analyzing those missing wavelengths, scientists can identify the chemical composition of an alien world. It is one of the most advanced scientific techniques ever created. Already, Webb has detected carbon dioxide, methane, and water vapor in the atmospheres of several distant exoplanets. While none of these discoveries prove the existence of life, they demonstrate that the building blocks necessary for biology may be common throughout the galaxy. And that possibility is changing astronomy forever. One of Webb's most important targets is the TRAPPIST-1 system, located around 40 light-years from Earth. Orbiting a faint red dwarf star are 7 rocky planets, several of which lie within the habitable zone. Scientists believe some of these worlds may contain liquid water, a key ingredient for life as we know it. But these planets face enormous challenges. Red dwarf stars are smaller and cooler than our Sun, yet they are often violently active. Massive stellar flares can blast nearby planets with radiation powerful enough to strip away atmospheres completely. Understanding whether life could survive under such conditions has become one of Webb's greatest scientific missions. And the answers may surprise us. On Earth, life has adapted to environments once considered impossible. Deep beneath the ocean, entire ecosystems survive near volcanic vents where temperatures exceed boiling point. In Antarctica, microscopic organisms remain alive inside frozen ice. Some bacteria can even survive intense radiation levels that would kill most known life forms instantly. These extremophiles have transformed our understanding of habitability. Scientists now realize that life does not necessarily require Earth-like conditions. It may survive beneath thick ice sheets, inside toxic atmospheres, or on planets orbiting unstable stars. The universe could be filled with forms of biology completely different from anything humanity has ever encountered.